Good morning, children. Yesterday we started the story Bholi, and today we will continue with the story. The point where we left the story yesterday was that Bholi has come to school, and you know the unusual reasons also why she was sent to school. Those reasons are quite different from the reasons for which you are coming to school. But anyhow, going to school is going to be beneficial for Bholi in future. See, let us continue. Bholi did not know, it's page 57. Bholi did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there. But she was glad to find so many girls, almost of her own age, present there. She hoped that one of those girls might become her friend. So she did not have any idea what type of a place a school is, but she is happy that other girls are there. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Bholi could understand nothing. She looked at the pictures on the wall. I hope you remember the mental level of Bholi. She was mentally not as alert as other children of her age, so she was not able to understand what the teacher was teaching. She was looking at the pictures. The colors fascinated her. The horse was brown, just like the horse on which the Tehsildar had come to visit their village. The goat was black like the goat of their neighbor. The parrot was green like the parrots she had seen in the mango orchard. And the cow was just like their Lakshmi. And suddenly Bholi noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. So she was looking at the pictures. The pictures were of different animals, and she was relating the picture of every animal to the animals which she has already seen in her real life, and her teacher was looking at her. What is your name, little one? She stammers, so she is not able to speak Bholi in one go. She is stammering. She could stammer no further than that. Then she began to cry, and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. She kept her head down as she sat in her corner, not daring to look up at the girls who she knew were still laughing at her. The girls, they were children, so they did not know that they should not make fun of Bholi like this, because stammering is a physical handicap. Anyone can suffer from this, but they are children, they don't know. When the school bell rang, all the girls scurried, means they ran away out of the classroom, but Bholi dared not leave her corner. Her head still lowered, she kept on sobbing. She is crying because she is feeling insulted. She has come here with good hopes that she will make friends, but those girls are making fun of her. Bholi, the teacher's voice was so soft and soothing. In all her life, she had never been called like that. It touched her heart. So the teacher seems to be very loving, very concerned, and she is speaking to Bholi in a loving manner. Get up, said the teacher. It was not a command, but just a friendly suggestion. Bholi got up. Bholi could find the sympathy in the voice of her teacher, which she has never found even in the voice of her parents. Now tell me your name. Sweat broke out over her whole body. Would her stammering tongue again disgrace her? For the sake of this kind woman, however, she decided to make an effort. She had such a soothing voice, she would not laugh at her. So Bholi got confidence because she had a feeling that the teacher would not make fun of her. Bho, she was not able to complete her name. Well done, the teacher encouraged her. Come on now, the full name. Bholi, and in the third try, Bholi was able to speak out her full name. The teacher encouraged. Okay. At last, she was able to say it and felt relieved as if it was a great achievement. Well done, the teacher patted her. Shabashi dena. her affectionately and said, "Put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else." Bholi looked up as if to ask, "Really?" This is also on this page we have seen her first experience at school. So far as her interaction or experience with her classmates was concerned, it was not good. They made fun of her and she lost her confidence. She kept on crying, but it was good with the teacher. She is lucky in this manner that she got a very sympathetic and understanding and encouraging teacher. Yes, yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Bholi nodded. She said yes. No, say it aloud. Yes. And Bholi herself was astonished, surprised that she had been able to say it. So, what is the reason of her stammering? It may be some sort of physical handicap also in case of Bholi, as she is suffering from mental retardment. But besides that, it is more of a case of lack of confidence, and that is due to unsympathetic attitude of her parents. "Didn't I tell you? Now take this book." The book was full of nice pictures, and the pictures were in color. Dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, and a cow just like Lakshmi. And with every picture was a word in big black letters. "In 1 month you will be able to read this book. Then I will give you a bigger book, then a still bigger one. In time you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. Then no one will ever be able to laugh at you. People will listen to you with respect and you will be able to speak without the slightest stammer. Understand? Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning." So the teacher is giving her a purpose behind studies. Teacher is telling her that she has to study, and after being educated, people will not make fun of her. Rather, they will look at her and listen to her with respect. So teacher is giving this feeling to Bholi that if she studies well, she will be able to make her life comfortable and respectable. Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing, and the tears in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. She was getting a lot of encouragement. She was feeling happy. She feels as if all the happiness is for her now, and that is due to the encouragement given by the teacher. Now, before starting the next part, let us do the question answers of this part. Does Bholi, it is on page 55, does Bholi enjoy her first day at school? Maybe yes, maybe no. There is a mixed response. Her experience with the classmates was not good. It was disappointing. They made fun of her and she cried. But her experience with teacher was very good. Her teacher was even more sympathetic than her parents. Does she find her teacher different from the people at home? Yes, she found the teacher very much different from the people at home. As the teacher was very sympathetic, she was encouraging her a lot and she was able to speak without any stammer. I think this is enough for today. Write these questions in your notebook and we will do the next part tomorrow. Thank you.